Kids, welcome to our fun learning video. Today, we are going to learn 20 toy names in easy English. Look kids, this is a teddy bear. It is a soft and cute toy that children love to hug. Look kids, a toy car. It is a small car-like toy that kids love to race. Look kids, a doll! It is one of the most loved toys for many children. Look kids, building blocks. Kids learn to make different things with them. Look kids, a ball! It is an easy and fun toy that every child loves to play with. Look kids, a toy train. It makes a whistle sound when it moves. Look kids, a puzzle. It is a fun game that helps sharpen the mind. Look kids, a toy helicopter. It looks like it can fly with its spinning blades. Look kids, a toy gun. It is a pretend play toy for kids. Look kids, a toy horse. It looks like a small horse and children love to ride or play pretend with it. Look kids, a toy airplane. It looks like a real airplane, and kids love to pretend it can fly in the sky. Look kids, a yo-yo. It is a round toy tied with a string that moves up and down. Look kids, a xylophone. It is a colorful musical toy that makes sweet sounds when you tap it. Look kids, a toy kitchen. It looks like a small kitchen where kids love to play cooking games. Look kids, a toy phone. It is a pretend phone that kids use to play and imagine calling others. Look kids, crayons. These are colorful drawing tools that children use to make beautiful pictures. Look kids, a hula hoop. It is a big round ring that kids spin around their waist for fun. Look kids, a poppet. It is a soft toy with bubbles that kids press to make popping sounds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.